Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with today another functionality proof for another board that was returned to us from C.Rivhardson. I just read the reason for the complaint after putting the board in and seeing that it appears to work from what we normally test. The complaint was that there is no sound coming out of neither the speakers nor the digital audio output. Board was serviced fairly recently, February 15th, today is 27th. This is the board out of the box. This is Katy Perry rocking, and as you can see and as you can hear, the speakers are working quite well. This is without them, this is with them. I have not tested the digital output, but from the look of it, it definitely is working. I'll honestly admit that I do not have a device. Actually, I do, but it will be tougher. We do have a sound bar here somewhere, and we can test that, but I'm absolutely certain it will be working. The only viable conclusion to me is that the source signal that was being sent to the board was missing audio. I want to pause that and see what the customer has to say. I'm pretty certain the problem would have been outside of the board, tapping it, doing anything. I know it was tested the same way before it was sent there. I'm pretty certain the problem is that it simply wasn't fed signal. I didn't do absolutely anything to the board other than stick it in here, fit it up, and when it started playing, I went back to see why was it being returned. Okay, that is all. Thanks.